So here I am rocking up to a client site on a wet Wednesday afternoon, and I'll be looking at the CBus system which they have installed across the entire site. Essentially, it was installed probably about 20 years ago by multiple contractors across multiple years, and inevitably the documentation or lack of documentation has created a lot of confusion within the system of how things are programmed. So I've been appointed to come in and essentially clean up their mess. So sort of the first step of doing that is going through and cleaning all the enclosures, getting rid of all the Sharpie and pen marks from what people have written on them over the years, and just getting them looking a little bit more presentable. Although the cleaning part of this process is pretty easy, it is time consuming when you have a lot of enclosures spread across a large area. In addition to removing any handwritten text, I'm also replacing any of the pre-existing labels with more specific ones that include the switchboard number and a unique CBus unit ID. This allows the client to better reference the provided CBus documentation to understand what each relay is switching and what the responsibility of each unit is. It's really important to have up-to-date documentation when dealing with building management systems like CBus, so that no matter who the electrical contractor is or if someone else comes in, they can reference the documents and know exactly what's going on.